I am out bush in the middle of nowhere fishing for barramundi, and my lure fishing rod just snapped in half. Now I've got other rods, but either they're too light or too heavy for this kind of fishing, and I really need this rod. There's no shops around, so I'll just repair it the way I've been doing before. Let's fix this rod. Righto, let's fix this. When I'm traveling, I always carry some needles, and this is some old Dyneema, little bits of pieces that normally I throw away. I coil them up on these tiny little plastic bobbins, and then I always have some thread to fix things. This will be perfect. Bit of coffee for the brain. Now line it all up, make sure it's straight. Now this is the beginning. I'm gonna keep wrapping it and wrapping it. They don't have to be super tight. The idea is you just wrap it and it creates like a fist, and it just holds on. And just keep wrapping and wrapping, and you kind of get into a rhythm and just keep going. Nice little coils, nice and tight. Keep going. This may take an hour. This may take longer, but in the end you can fix your fishing rod out bush, and that's what it's all about. And after a while I like to go in between the rods like this, to cinch it down even more. And then once you have this one cinched up really nice, just keep wrapping. Wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. You kind of get into a rhythm and it starts going faster and faster. And that's all it is. There's not much tension on this. There's not much force. It's just like tying a fly or tying one of these eyes onto the line. It's just a lot of wrappings and it all keeps it nice in place. To finish off, I do a constrictor knot. Basically go one wrapping, make it cross. So now you have a little cross here, and then with the last one you can go in and between all the threads, in and between the cross, and that's a constrictor knot. That's super strong, nice and tight. That'll do. Tie it off with the end piece. Just a granny knot will do fine. Cut it, nice and neat. Well, there you have it. I'm way out bush, I snapped my fishing rod, and there's not a tackle shop in kilometers, but using a little bit of bushcraft I fixed my fishing rod, and now I can catch some more barramundis. Yay! Fuck! This is my biggest barramundi yet. This is a horse. This is an absolute beauty. Nice. Let's get him back.